Don't try to be like a parrot. Always just try to be like an eagle. Because a parrot always talks too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is always silent and have the power to touch the sky. Always मतलब हर समय ट्राई करो, कोशिश करो एक ईगल की तरह बनने का, ना कि एक तोते की तरह. बिकॉज कारण जो तोता होता है वो हमेशा सिर्फ बोलता है, पर वो कभी भी बहुत ज्यादा ऊपर नहीं उड़ पाता है. पर जो एक ईगल होता है वो हमेशा चुप रहता है, धीरे से बोलता है, हमेशा चुप रहता है, और उसके पास ही एक पावर है कि वो आसमान को छू सकता है. So hi guys, welcome back in my channel. So this video is gonna be a very motivational video for everyone, for all of the beginner and all of my subscribers, because today I am gonna talk about 5 very important motivational quotes that can give you motivation, confidence, and also if you just practice those quotes in your home in front of a mirror with the American accent, then it can also very develop. You can improve your speaking, you can improve your speaking skills very highly, very quickly. That's why I always say that all of my videos are so special and beneficial. So guys, this thing, now lots of people will ask me that how we can just develop our American accent by those quotes. I will show you in the middle of the video. So guys, let's start our video. In this video I will tell you 5 very motivational, very important quotes that can teach you the lesson of life. So let's go. So my first quote is that a few bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. A few bad chapter doesn't mean your story is over. हमारी जिंदगी में बहुत समय बहुत कुछ होता है, बहुत कुछ, और बहुत समय हम हार जाते हैं, कुछ खराब चीजें हमारे साथ होता है, पर इसका मतलब नहीं हमारे पूरा जिंदगी ही खत्म हो गया. So this quote wanna tell us that in our life lots of things happen with us. We have to face lots of problems, we do lots of problems, we do lots of mistakes, but it doesn't mean that our whole story, our whole life is over. If you can't do something, just try it until it don't come to you. Just try it a lot of times. So first time I also can't speak the English language fluently. I do lots of mistakes. I have to face lots of problems, and I faced lots of problems. But it doesn't mean that I will just leave the way to speak. I just stay in the way and just practice daily. I just practiced, and now it is the thing. So guys, I wanna say that in our life lots of things happens with us, bad things, good things, but nothing just means that your whole story is over. That's why this quote says that a few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is over. And now the question is how you can develop your American accent. Yes, so just remember, what we just pronounce in the Indian accent, like a few bad chapter does not mean your story is over. Just repeat with me. A few bad chapter does not mean your story is over. It is the normal Indian accent, but in American accent, what will be? Everything will be changed. The pronunciation, the sound will be just changed. A few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is over. A few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is over. A few bad chapters doesn't mean doesn't. It's not that does not or doesn't. It is doesn't mean your story is over. So in this part, just try to curl your tongue a little bit and push it back. I just always give this advice in a lots of videos, and a number of videos. Like when our tongue just touch the upper side of our mouth, that called ridge, then the sound just stop for a movement. A few bad chapter, like you can say chapter, does not mean your story is over. So this thing, just stop this thing, then the American accent will be very easy for you. Just try to curl your tongue like and then push it back. Then it will be the sound like the American native speakers. A few bad chapters doesn't mean your story is over. So it is the thing. And quote is also very important and also a teachable thing. This quote is very special for me also, because this quote is written by Charlie Chaplin. This quote is very, very interesting quote if you just understand that don't worry about what I am doing. Don't worry about what I am doing. Just worried about why you worried about what I am doing. I'll repeat it again. Try to understand. Try to listen it carefully. That don't worry what I am doing. Don't worry what I am doing. Just worried about why you were worried about what I am doing. So it is a puzzle quote, but if you understand, then you can do a lot. In this quote, Charlie Chaplin won and said us that don't worry what I am doing. Like I am also making video and I went to the outside, then lots of people like see me. They also just thought that what he is doing, why the boy is here, why he is just making video, because they are doing their work, they are doing the morning work, but I am doing some new thing. I am doing the morning work but with some video, with making some video instead. So this thing, the same thing, and they're just worried about me, what I am doing and what the thing is just going. But you can say them that don't worry about what I am doing, just worried about why you were worried about what I am doing. So this thing is a puzzle codes, but if you understand that, it can be a lot to you for to just speak, for to improve your speaking skills, for to get the motivate yourself. And my third quotes also like this very, very interesting quotes. This quote is that a tongue. Yes, guys, a tongue. Everyone knows that what a tongue, like the tongue. So this quote is about our tongue. A tongue has no bone, but it has the power to break a heart. A tongue has no any bones, but it has the power to break a heart. So be careful with your words. हमारा जो जीभ होता है उसके अंदर कोई भी हड्डी नहीं होती है, पर उसके पास एक ऐसा पावर है, उस पावर के साथ किसी का भी वो दिल तोड़ सकता है. सो हमेशा अपनी जो वर्ड्स, अपने जो शब्द है उनको कंट्रोल करना सीख जाओ. Then it can be a lot, because we also don't know when we just got very angry, then we speak lots of bad words. Then the opponent or the person who is doing some conversation with you, they will feel so bad in that moment. Then what you will do? So this thing. And also there is a very beautiful thing that always just try to do. Always just control your words, because it can just break a heart, it can break someone, it can heal also someone. If you just say some positive words to anyone, then the person also get lots of motivated. That's why I always just say everyone that please do some comment, because your one comment also can give me a lot of motivation. And also there are lots of type of comments in my videos. There are also a number of like bad and also lots of comments, but there is also a supportable comments, and I like to read all of those comments. So just remember one thing: a tongue has no bone, but it has the power to break a heart. You can also do the practice in the American accent. A tongue has no bone, but it has the power to break a heart. Just feel, just try to observe what is going in your mouth, what is going with your just tongue, what are you doing, and then just roll your tongue. This quote is there. Always remember, don't wait for someone who will give you flowers. Just make your own garden and fill it with positive thoughts, with very beautiful flowers. So I think guys, this quote is also helped me a lot, because from this quote we can learn a lot of a number of things, a number of motivation. Number of things. Never wait for someone who will just give you flowers. Just make your own garden and then decorate it with your flowers, with positive thoughts, with positive sentences. Like we always just think that someone will come, someone will help me, I can't do it, my friend can't do it, then I will just ask him for. Just do practice. No one will give you the success. And also if someone just saying you that I will help you to do the success, then it can't. Because the moment that you just willing for your success, this moment is only can you feel. No one can't just feel this thing. So guys, always just try to do everything with yourself. Just do practice. Just do practice. Then it will be very, very helpful. So my fifth number quote is very interesting quote. This quote says that if you born poor, it is not your mistake. If you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, then it is your mistake. So this quote is a very famous quote. In this quote we can learn that अगर आप गरीब होकर जन्म लेते हो तो ये आपकी कोई गलती नहीं, ये आपकी गलती नहीं। पर अगर आप एक गरीब घर में और एक गरीब होकर ही मरते हो तो ये आपकी ही गलती है। So this quote will give you a lot of motivation that if you born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is your mistake. So guys, always just do the thing that I just say you. Always just do practices. Practice, patience, and repetition is the only key to all of the thing. And just guys remember one thing, that if you just want to do something, then just do it. Just do it. The American accent, remember, if you wanna just get something new, you have to leave something old. Otherwise, you can't get the thing. Like the Indian accent, we just, from our thing, we just speak in the Indian accent. But remember guys, if you wanna just learn the English language very, very quickly or the American accent, just forget about the Indian accent. And if you also a new beginner, if you want to learn the English language, then forget your mother tongue. Like it is that don't forget your mother tongue totally, just pretend to forget for a movement. Then your mind will be full unconscious. And then the thing that I was just reading, the thing is just going in your mind will just come properly in the English language. Just take some moment and then just pretend that you forget your mother tongue. Yes, you forget your mother tongue. Like if someone just says you that, hey, what are you doing in their mother tongue, in your own mother tongue, then just say them, I don't know what you just say, I know only English, I just forget my mother tongue. Then it will be a new type of game also, and from this game you can learn a lot. So this thing I wanna say guys, if you like something, if you just motivated, then guys please subscribe, please like, do a beautiful comment, and bye bye. I will meet you in the next video to a great mind. Nothing is little.